When I prepare my tea each morning, I don't rush. I let the water speak for itself. I let the warmth rise. I let the breath return to its rhythm. Before I train the body, I return to the breath. Before I move, I root. This moment may seem small, but it opens the floodgates. Here begins the form. Within stillness, a warrior waits. Now, if you've ever felt like the world moved too fast and your thoughts spiraled in all directions, then warm greetings, you've arrived at the right place. Here we train slow, we move quiet, we listen deep, we become still warriors. Let me share a story with you. A while ago, I entered a conversation that turned heated and sharp. A loved one raised her voice. My chest tightened, my thoughts raced, and I heard that old voice, the one that wants to lash out, to win the argument, to defend. But I didn't speak. I simply stepped away. I breathed. I moved. But we'll return to that moment later. But first, let me show you the form that carried me through the fire. Come with me.
Before we move the body, we open the heart. Slide the foot, ground the weight, breathe the intention. Stillness first, then flow. Gently bring down the heavens, lift the sky, and now let's push the boulder out to sea. Push forward, feel the heaviness. Meet resistance, not with rage, but with release. Inhale the challenge, exhale the surrender. Shift. Continue pushing more boulders out to sea, feeling the heaviness. Inhale the challenge. Exhale the surrender. Circle around, push, feel the heaviness. Let's turn the moon. Turn the moon between your palms, round the edges of anger. Spiral sadness into silence. The heart softens, the mind follows. Gently square off and ward off excess energy. Embrace the moon. Turn the hip. Crane takes flight. Lift with the grace of letting go. Wings spread. Rise up. Flight does not escape. It trusts the unseen wind that bring down the heavens. Lift the light of heaven. Pour it through the spine. Anchor the hearts. Anchor the stars inside your chest. Not to hold, but to remember. Let's push the boulder again. The boulder teaches. We push not to move the world, but to move ourselves. Pray your hands, palms together. Stillness between opposites. Conflict dissolves into compassion. Return to turn the moon. Circle again. Different rhythm, different hands, same sky. Changes breath through the same movements. Farm boy looks at the stars. Reach for the unseen. Stand rooted in the scene. Hope lives in hands dirty with soil, eyes shifting with dreams. Step back and gather in. Scoop the scattered pieces. Welcome them home. Not to fix, not to fight, just to hold. The battle outside bows to the balance inside. Fair Lady takes a bow low without breaking. Surrender becomes elegance. The warrior kneels not in defeat, but in gratitude for the storm survived. Bringing down the heavens again. Gather the sky. Draw it into your center. Each breath a blessing. Each movement a memory reborn. Snake creeps through the grass. Slide low. Coil inwards. Rise. Patience pulses between the still skin. The silent warrior strikes not with violence, but with presence. Return to close the door. Feet square off. Feet return together. Hands lower. Head bows. The form ends. The breath continues. Now carry stillness with you, wherever you walk.
When I stepped back into that room, the tension remained. I felt different. She hadn't changed, but I had. I no longer needed to strike out. Stillness already did the work. Tai Chi didn't fix the moment. It gave me enough space to carry it with clarity. Next week, we shift the tone because stillness often gets tested, especially when the fire enters the room. And let's just say my face caught on fire, live. But what did I learn? Something more valuable than the pain. That story unfolds next time in our short and striking series. Until then, drink your tea, breathe your breath, and move with grace. Stay inspired and inspirational.